you ready for another episode of the Rescue Bots? Today's show is called Jungle River Rescue, and it features Heatwave, High Tide, and all your favorite rescue bots. So let's all get ready because here we go!
Deep in the jungle, an explorer searches for an ancient treasure on the river.
Now I know that treasure is here, and I simply must find it. I will keep searching until I find the treasure.
Suddenly, a rock slide propels giant rocks into the water. Heads up, rescue bots. There's trouble down by the old jungle river. We'd better get down there right away.
You heard Boulder, everyone. Rescue bots, roll to the rescue. Oh no! The rocks! I'm losing control of my boat. The waves are propelling me towards the shallows. This is terrible. Help! Help!
Oh no! I'm stuck on the shallows! These rocks! I can't move the boat! I need more power! Come on! Oh, there we go. I'm stuck again! I better try the radio for help. Come in! Come in! Can anybody hear me? Come in! This is an emergency! Help! Help! It's no use! Nobody can hear me out here! I've got to try maximum power! Come on, boat! Give me everything you've got! Oh no! The boat is falling! Oh. It looks like that explorer's in huge trouble, guys. If this rescue's gonna happen, it needs to happen right now. Oh, I never should have gone looking for that treasure. Now I've lost my boat, and I'm trapped in the river. Oh! Don't worry, Salvage. Heatwave and I are on it. With my submarine mode and Heatwave's new watercraft mode, we should be able to get there. We'll just have to make sure we don't get caught in the river's powerful current. Ready, Heatwave?
I'm ready.
Good. Then transform.
Here I go. One high-speed watercraft ready for action.
Good. Then in the water you go.
Okay, I'm launched in the water. Now to use the sonar to track the explorer.
I'm right behind you, Heatwave. Here I go. Sure feels good to be in the water again. Let me help you triangulate that sonar. I've got a lock on his position. Let's go! Whoa! That current is rough! More speed!
Come on, High Tide. Even faster!
How's this for fast? Wow! Watch out for those rocks! Everything I've got. I've made it to the boat. We're here to get you out. Rescue bots, thank goodness. Please, hurry. Just let me get my clamps on here, and I'll haul us to shore. Looks like this is too heavy for one robot.
Good thing you're not alone. Hang on, here I come. All right, High Tide, let's work together. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on! Gotta push it harder. This boat's taking on too much water. It keeps slipping back in. We're gonna have to try something else. Hey, Blades, I think we're gonna need your skyhook here.
Well, duh! You guys wind up needing my skyhook every episode. I've already got it ready, but I'm gonna need your help connecting it to the boat. Hang on, I'm coming in. I'm not getting a connection. Hang on, I'll try swooping in from another angle.
Just bring it in nice and slow. I'll help you hook the skyhook up. There, Blades. Hook attached. Give us some lift.
Alright, here I go. Oh no! The hook broke off!
Don't worry, Blades. I got you covered. Hook reattached.
Yeah! Alright, let's lift this boat to shore!
Whoa!
Made it! Over to you, salvage!
Nice work, Blades. Okay, Mr. Explorer. Hang on. I'm here to get you out. Don't be afraid. I'm just gonna reach in and grab ya. Whoa! This rescue, I dare say, is getting stranger by the minute. Careful! Whoa! Whoa! I made it! I'm safe on land! Thank you, thank you! You're welcome. We find it's the personal touches that really make a rescue. Please accept my sincerest gratitude!
Meanwhile, near the river... Hey, what is that strange rock over here? That's not a rock. Hey, Chase, come over here and take a look at this for me, will ya?
Boulder, you appear to have located a large chest or receptacle of an unusual size. I wonder what could be inside.
Whoa! How old do you think it is, Chase?
My carbon dating technique suggests the chest is over 300 years old, coinciding with the golden age of piracy.
Awesome. Open it up, Chase. Is that what I think it is?
It appears to be a shell of great size. Goodness me! You have found the treasure! I've been searching so long for this! This is amazing! This is the largest shell in the world! It's composed of coral! It belongs in a museum! Do you realize how exciting this is? Look how big this shell is! It's incredible! This is an amazing discovery! It was worth every bit! Easy there, Doctor. We do not wish to drop that shell. Let us be careful. Perhaps we should put it back into the chest. Oh, yes, you're right, of course. Whoa! Careful. Let us reclose the treasure chest. Boulder, now that you have transformed into your dump truck mode, are you ready to transport the chest back to base?
I sure think so. But this is going to be one big load.
I am confident that you are the right rescue bot for the job.
All right, I'll see you all back at the base. rescue bots. We had a rescue and saved her life, and we found the national treasure. Looks like it was a job well done. Way to go!
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to try another video, just click the box and check it out. And if you'd like to join us on our next adventure, click the circle to subscribe.
Bye, everybody. Keep imagining.